How can you use AI on your LinkedIn company page to improve your brand visibility? AI is doing wonders for all kinds of activities, and LinkedIn is one of them. Many of us are already using it to help us with our posts and other presence on LinkedIn, but company pages often get left behind. So here's something that you may not actually know. AI doesn't look at what you just post. It looks at the interconnectedness of your digital footprints. Now, company pages can help this by linking to staff profiles, creating a graph of expertise. You'll have no doubt lots of in-house experts on different topics, so raising their visibility will raise the brands. You can also publish newsletters and events on LinkedIn that are not only indexed by Google but show AI there's ongoing activity. And these are the kind of things that really help you and your brand to be surfaced by AI in response to questions. Another way of using AI on company pages is by gathering consistent engagement signals. Now, this is a complicated way of saying employee advocacy, your employees and how they respond to your company page posts, comments on your posts by your employees and others, and how your posts get shared across the network. When put together, these build a signal of authority, and they show that you are a page that is credible on LinkedIn and with AI. It's not going to be very long before we are using AI in everything we do online, but getting a head start by getting your company page ready for AI and using AI to help you improve it is simply a no-brainer. And these enhanced brand authority signals I've just given you are just the start.